Connecting your AirPods 4 to an iPad is usually quick, but if you're doing it for the first time, it might not feel as automatic as you expect. Sometimes the pairing pop-up appears instantly, while other times you may need to go through Bluetooth settings manually. This can make the process seem a bit confusing, especially if you're not sure whether your AirPods are in pairing mode or if your iPad is ready to detect them. The good thing is that once the initial connection is done correctly, everything becomes seamless. Your AirPods will automatically reconnect whenever you use them. It's a one time setup that only takes a minute, and after that, you can enjoy wireless audio without any extra steps. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. On your iPad, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Step 3. Bring the AirPods case close to your iPad and wait for the pop up. Step 4. Tap Connect on the screen when it appears. Step 5. If no pop up shows, press and hold the Setup button on the case until the light flashes. Step 6. Select your AirPods from the Bluetooth list and confirm connection.